Hello, everyone. I am Karla Dennis, and I am going to teach you one simple way to increase your tax deductions instantly. I am going to make sure that you understand what's required to get a tax deduction. There have been some recent tax law changes, and I am telling you, the game has changed, my friends. The way that you were normally used to taking your tax write-offs has changed. If you were used to going left, now you got to go right. Things have really flipped on us, and it's going to be really important for you to understand what those changes look like. How does the IRS define a write-off or a deduction? How do you even know what that looks like? Well, I am going to tell you how IRS defines a tax write-off or a tax deduction, my friends. To be tax deductible, a business expense must be ordinary and necessary. An ordinary expense is one that is common and typical or accepted in your trade or business. A necessary expense, my friends, is one that is helpful and appropriate for your trade or business. An expense does not have to be indispensable to be considered necessary. I need you to understand this. This is such powerful information to make sure you get your tax write-offs correct. Do you know who defines what is ordinary and necessary for your business? Do you know who that person is? Well, I am going to make sure that you learn exactly who that person is and how that is going to work. I am also going to tell you why tax deductions get disallowed. And they do. They get disallowed all day long. And the reason is because you don't know if that deduction is a write-off or not a write-off. That's typically what the issue is. You can't decipher it. You can't define it. You're Googling on the internet. You're trying to get it sorted out, only to think you got it, but you really don't know. You really aren't clear. Well, I have created a secret weapon for you to be sure, for you to have clarity and confidence. I created the TD-WOW framework, Tax Deductions Without Worry framework, my friends. And literally, it is going to help you write off almost anything. It is a framework that when you learn it and you use it, you will know for sure, is it a write-off or is it not a write-off? It'll be just that black and white, my friends. Join me on my webinar when I reveal the TD-WOW framework. I cannot wait to chat with you. I am so excited. Come on and join me. Bye for now.